All right, so we're going to take a look at number 6. We're looking at points in a table, and we need to find both the slope and the y-intercept. So, because it looks like all of these are written in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to start by picking 2 points from my table. It doesn't matter which 2 I choose. I usually just choose the first 2. So I have 125 and 240. I always like to label my points just so I keep straight which one's which. And then I'm going to use the slope formula. So I'm going to do 40 minus 25. All over 2 minus 1, and I will get 15 over 1, or just 15. From here, I still need to figure out my y-intercept. So I do like to do my checklist if possible. So MBXY. My slope we said was 15. I can choose any of the points. I'm going to just choose the first ones, 1 and 25. And then I'm going to substitute those into my y equals mx plus b. So y we said was 25, m was 15, x was 1 plus b. So we'll get this, subtract the 15, and I'm going to get b equals 10. From there, I always like to write it in my checklist, and then I put a box around these because it tells me I'm ready to write my equation. So my equation would be y equals 15x plus 10, which is letter B. Another way, if you didn't want to do the checklist, if you think about it, looks like we're counting by ones up here. So if I went back 1 and counted backwards on my table, I'm going to end up with 0. And then if I count back, it looks like we're counting by 15s here. So if I subtract 15, I'm going to end up with 10. And we know always that a y-intercept is when our x is 0. So we would have gotten the same y-intercept that way as well. So either way, you need to get y equals 15x plus 10.